Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna teach you how to insert audio to your website. And before we start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button and like this video. There are a lot of ways to insert audio and I will teach you the easiest way. And let's start our lesson. First, you have to know how the tag is being written. You will write like this. And close it, and inside it we have source attribute. First step, we need an audio. We need to save the audio at the same location where our HTML file is saved in. For example, here we have this audio at the same location of our HTML file. And then we need to change the name of audio, and you will write it in this form. First, you will write any name, for example, test, and you will add this addition, .mp3, and enter. Without using .mp3 addition after the name, it might cause error in your website. Be careful and be sure you added this addition. And let's insert this audio to our website. You will write the name of that audio at the source between these double quotes. And let's write the name of audio. Test. How you see, it directly suggested the whole name of that audio which we saved at this location. And let's click on the enter. And inside here we need an attribute which is controls. And let's see the result of this one. Does it works with us or not? How you see, inserted this audio for me. This is sound. You can make it high and make it low, and this is, you can play the sound. And let's play it. Does it work with us or not? In this video I will teach you how to insert an audio to, how you see the audio inserted to our website. And here we finished our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, like this video and share the video with your friends. And thank you so much for listening.